Oh, Moo? Aw, you gonna rub against your sister? That's sweet. Yeah, you're not all there? It's okay. Hello, anyone that's new. I'm sure most of you are returners. Returnees? I don't know. It's way too late. I shouldn't even have my phone out. But for Moo we will do. For Moo we will do. Yeah, you're a good boy. Okay, let's get down a cat level. Ah, cat. Oh, okay. It's like a circus. Hey, sweetie. That's it, pacing. Hey, Daisy. Meow. Daisy, do you not need front teeth? Yoink. She just runs in circles. I feel like she's doing more and more every video. No, you never deserve to be the star. Oh, whoa. Oh, God, he hits the cabinet each time. He hits the wall, he hits either cabinet, or he hits Daisy. Oh, and Pop. Right up. Oh my God, that's perfect. Perfect, Daisy. Good job, Daisy. Not so good job, Moo. Moo, I'm really getting sick of you. You're not talking about where your home planet is. If you're gonna come here and you're gonna interdimensionally warp, you need to actually be able to tell us what you're doing. I understand that a lot of the purpose is food, but at the same time, what did you do to your original home planet where you have to come here, where you're stuck being fed twice a day instead of being able to just eat whenever? What did you graze there? Did you graze everything? Considering you've been alive since essentially the beginning of time, maybe even a little bit before that, do you think by now you'd pick a better place to go? You're not even listening to me. Daisy, you are? Oh, that's great. Daisy, do you think you could potentially hear his thoughts? Maybe you're secretly linked somehow, and you can hear each other's thoughts. Can you tell me why he is so food hungry? Is it just because it tastes good? Please do tell. Translate for him, because he can barely speak himself. He goes, ah, blah, 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 blah. Yes, add B. A cat that says the letter B. Oh, what are we gonna do with you, Moo? Goodbye, Moo.